Hi guys, so today we have an exciting box. We have April 2018 Allure Beauty box and I'm ready to open it. This month I know it's late probably when you see the video, but it came so late, almost at the same time as my, what is that thing? What is that box that I get? Blessed box came. So I actually have to open that one as well. It came really late. So let's open this thing. What I like is that this one is a $15 box, beauty box, but it comes with like a lot of high end products. The same as basically Macy's, but this one is way better usually than Macy's. So let's see. Let's open it. It comes with that little magazine. So this time around is like really thin. Let's see what is inside of this. Ooh. So this one is the original makeup eraser sample. Makeup erasing on mermaids. Both are magical and require water. Reusable makeup removal system in the world. So I'm kind of curious to see what this is. So it requires water to you. Love makeup eraser. So it's like a little velvety thing. It's like a sample of it. How do you even send the sample? So it's basically a towel, but you just get like a piece of it. Put on the heaviest makeup, double your mascara. Simply wet your pre-wash sample with water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Sorry, that was my phone. Forgot to put it on silent. And then says, in a circular motion, gently remove mascara, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and more. Be amazed that your makeup quite just erased with water. So it's reusable, machine washable, exclusive patented product. Your sample may fry, to be expected. Hands on. So yeah, it's a little thing. Dear future customer, we are excited that you have been chosen to take your makeup erase challenge. By the end of this experience, your heart should be set on a new makeup removal system. Use an eco-friendly product that only requires water, lasts up to 3 to 5 years, and helps use landfills of wipes and cotton balls. Together, we are changing the world. So really nice. I mean, like this, it feels like a teddy bear. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I actually like it. We will see. They give you Allure exclusive 25% off, and if you guys want to use the code, it's just water. So let's see what else is here. This is something new, and I like trying things that are like this because, you know, I mean, there's a lot of things out there and I'm always interested in trying them. We'll see if this works. We have, I see a couple of samples here. So we have this one is classic conditioner for healthy lustrous hair, après shampoo. So this one, and they have the conditioner and the shampoo. So we have those. This is just regular shampoo and conditioner, I guess. Let me smell it. Oof, it smells like minty, kind of oatmeal-ish. So yeah, the third thing is the pomegranate balancing cream gel moisturizer oily combination skin by Chorus. So yeah, apply to the face, neck, avoiding eye area. So that's about it. It doesn't say anything else. Let's see. It's open. Smells like lotion. So that's that one. 20 milliliters. I have the Brilliant Primer Base the Tint. So this, I don't know if it's for the mouth or was it? Yeah, it looks like a lip thing. I guess we will see in the little booklet. And let's see, the last thing is a nude stick. Nice. J Mama. Gel color lip and cheek balm. I always love these things. It's nice to take out with you. And that's about it. There's nothing else. Let's see what it says. It says exclusive promo codes inside. It says nude stick gel color. This is a pinkish brown crayon. Is really pretty and really sheer, so it's hard to go overboard. And it's perfect for touching up in dimly lit restrooms after a few glasses of wine, or when you're using your phone camera on the world's latest reliable mirror. So this one is like $24. It's not bad. Then let's see what else. We have this makeup thing. My eyes are really sensitive and most makeup removers sting, so I'm excited to try this thing out. It's a fuzzy piece of fabric that just runs underwater and smooths over your skin, and it's supposed to take off your full face of makeup. Okay, I was a little skeptical too because mascara, but I followed the directions, swept it away my face in circular motions and hope for the best. Makeup erases is not exaggeration. It wipes a red lipstick in one go and whisks away my foundation. I use a different corner of fabric for each part of the face, but you can also toss it in the laundry when it gets dirty. My eye makeup took a little longer to take off, but the fabric was super gentle on the skin around my eyes. Just don't make the mistake of rubbing too hard. So it's $20. Obviously not the sample, the regular full size. Then we have the Rahua shampoo and conditioner. This one is just 34 and 36. I'm not gonna really read too much. It just says that the nice is the Kiss charming scent. It's light but warm and little herbal. Has aloe and vitamin E, and yeah. So all that, and then we go into the primer. So the primer, I'm confused if it's for the lips. So this one says it's never been a primer person, which might explain why the concealer doesn't last all day, but I digress. So I enlisted one to try out the shimmery pink guy. I wanted to run into my outfit with morning to tell the feel my skin. I just kept touching my face after I put this on. My skin was never felt softer. My powder foundation went on super smooth. So basically it is for the face. So you get it at Sephora and it's $42, the regular size. And then this one, it's for, because it says moisturizer, it could be for the whole face. So it's a lightweight moisturizer made oily and combination skin, which I don't have. I will let another colleague take it away. Even though it's a cream gel situation, it's not so light that your skin immediately absorbs it. So that one is $34. And that's about it. So it was okay. I mean, I don't like shampoo and conditioners, and I hate trying those samples. The last time I did try a sample for my shampoo and conditioner, I wash all my hair, blah blah blah. When a day goes by, I had pimples all around my neck area and behind, like pimples. It was horrible. Like I don't understand why. Never happens with my regular shampoo, so I don't know if it was just like that sample that came in defected or it was too oily. I just don't know, but yes, I am skeptical about trying shampoo and conditioners because of that. I don't know. But that being said, I hope you like the unboxing and I hope you see more of my videos, and I wish you a good night and sleep tight. Bye guys.